How to get free orbs by doing nothing on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Discord, then open up the quest section, and over here you get different quests. So first trick is simply open up filters, click on watch, select orbs, and then scroll down. Here you would be able to find all the quests which require you to watch videos. So over here what you have to do is that click on watch. I have already claimed these orbs by doing nothing, so all you have to do is just click on watch, and when the video starts simply pause it, and on the top you would be able to find this option. Simply click on it, and here you can fast forward the video quite easily and just play it right before it gets over and play it. And this way you would be eligible to claim the rewards without even watching the full video. This is a great way to get the orbs quite easily. And for the video game quests, simply click on play, deselect watch, and you would get all these quests where you need to play the game in order to get the orbs. And if you want to avoid playing these games, you would have to use this code over here. You can see all the instructions given over here. You can simply open up the dev tools by pressing Ctrl+Shift+I, then go to console tab. Then you have to paste the code, and this is the code. From top to bottom you would have to paste it up, and all the instructions are also given over here on this page. Also, when the quests are over for you, you can also switch on to the VPN and change your location in order to find more quests and complete them and get more Discord orbs. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.